Hello and welcome. I'm going to walk you through how to book your tickets for WOW Film Festival Online 2021. When you click on the link, you'll be taken to our festival lineup where you can look at what films are on offer. It's really easy to have a look at what films we're screening. Simply scroll down the page and hover over what film you're interested in to look at the details. To view more details, just click Learn More. Once you click on the film, you'll be taken to the film's detail page where you can play the film's trailer or have a look at more details with the film. All our films are free to watch but have a set number of tickets, so be sure to pre-order so you don't miss it. Just click this button here, enter your email here and press continue. Once you've entered in your name and password to create an account, press this button. Once you've booked your free ticket, you can leave a donation here. Your donation means a lot to us and will go towards finding films for next year's festival. Once you're happy with that, just press pre-order now. And that's it, your ticket's reserved. Be sure to take note of the date and time your film will be available to watch. In your email, you'll receive an order confirmation. We'll also send you an email reminder before any films or events go live. Be sure to take notes of details in the email, as films will be available for varying amounts of time once they go live. Seeing as film tickets are limited for each film, please only book what you know you'll be able to watch. If for any reason you're not able to make the screening or won't be able to watch the film, please get in contact with us via email and we can release your ticket for someone else who might want it. Along with our amazing lineup of films, we also have some Q&As and special events. Just like films, you can click on the event to find out more and pre-order your free ticket. If you need help with anything at any point, just press the help button here and you'll find our guide. Before booking tickets, we recommend you visit the help page and visit the Test Your Device section. This will take you to this page where you can unlock the test screening. This will take you to a short film where you can test that your device can play the films correctly and you can hear everything as you should. So that's it, that's all there is to it. So have a look at our selection of films, spread the word, spread the joy and tell your friends. And we'll see you on March the 11th. Thank you.